Hey, we're here with Cheyenne Woods, and she just had a putting green completed by Paradise Greens. Cheyenne, how did you hear about Paradise Greens?
I heard from a friend of mine who also is a professional golfer, and she referred me to you guys. Always said great things about it, and so I was excited to work with you all.
Love it. And through the design process, how did that go for you?
It was really easy. We had you guys come out to our house, check out the space. It was really easy process. I had never done something like this before, so I was a little nervous. But it was really smooth, easy, quick design decisions, and it looks amazing.
Love it.
Yeah.
And for the installation day, how did the crew and everybody do for you?
They were great. Very clear communication on timing of when everyone would be there. They were great with bringing stuff in and taking it out. And again, the product turned out really great.
Good. Stimp speed was good.
Yeah.
Always a concern with all of our professional golfers that use us is stimp speed. So that's great to hear. And lastly, would you recommend Paradise Greens?
Definitely. Yeah, the whole process was good. As I said, I didn't know what to expect, but everything was made really easy. Again, clear communication, which was really important to me. And the end product was great.
Well, Cheyenne, good luck this year in the tour. Hopefully you pursue it this year. I know you have a lot of things going on with the newborn and everything, but congratulations.
Thank
and
you.
again, thank you for using Paradise Greens.
Thank you guys.
All right, thank you.